Lendkey Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Lendkey is a platform that connects borrowers with community bank and credit union to offer student loans, financing, and private student loan. It does not provide robo-advisor investment service. And here are the key features about this platform, which is a student loan refinancing, which allows borrowers to refinance existing student loan potential, securing lower interest rates or a better terms. And also private student loan. They offer new private student loan to undergraduate and graduate students with competitive rate and terms. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So, which is a competitive rate. By partnering with a numerous community leaders, Lendkey can offer attractive interest rates and also no obligation fee and positive customer review. And here is the downside, which is no investment service. Lendkey does not offer investment or robo-advisor service. And here the final verdict about this platform. If you are seeking student loan or student loan refinancing or private student loan, Lendkey is a reputable option with competitive rate and positive customers' feedback. However, for robo-advisor investment service, you will need to explore other platforms.